Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we've got something super exciting to talk about. The Apple Vision Pro. It's finally here and it's like something out of a sci-fi dream. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our future tech deep dives. All right, let's jump right in. The Apple Vision Pro, a glimpse into the future? So, the Apple Vision Pro has landed, bringing with it an unprecedented level of immersive entertainment and multitasking capabilities. Imagine having the power to bring your digital experience right in front of your eyes in a way we've only dreamed about. But here's the catch. This dream comes with a hefty price tag of $3,500. Yeah, you heard that right. For many of us, that places the Vision Pro more in the realm of fantasy than reality. But fear not, my fellow tech lovers, because the market is brimming with incredible alternatives that won't require you to break the bank. Whether you're looking to transform your living room into a personal cinema or enhance your workspace with virtual monitors, I've got you covered with three amazing picks. Meta Quest 3, the budget-friendly champion. First up is the Meta Quest 3. If you're eager for a taste of the future without the hefty investment, this is your go-to. Offering many of the same features as the Vision Pro, like streaming movies on a personalized screen and working within virtual floating windows. The Quest 3 also shines with its expansive library of games and fitness apps. And with the ability to stream Xbox games directly to the headset, it's a gamer's paradise. However, it's worth noting that while the Quest 3 offers a fantastic experience, it doesn't quite match the Vision Pro's power and visual fidelity. And for those deep in the Apple ecosystem, the seamless integration of Apple products might still tempt you towards the Vision Pro. Meta Quest Pro, eye-tracking excellence. Next on our list is the Meta Quest Pro. Building on the Quest 3's foundation, it introduces eye tracking, taking your VR experience to a whole new level of intuitiveness. Though it's a bit pricier, the added immersion and slightly upgraded processor make it a worthy contender. Yet, even with these enhancements, the Quest Pro still falls short of the Vision Pro's overall performance and doesn't quite capture the same high-quality display and Apple device integration. Xreal Air 2 Pro, the discreet alternative. Last but definitely not least, we have the Xreal Air 2 Pro glasses. Perfect for those who love the idea of a personal TV screen. Without drawing attention, these glasses are a game changer. They're lightweight, easy to use, and offer a great way to binge watch your favorite movies or dive into your games with a virtual 130-inch screen. While the Air 2 Pro offers a unique and more affordable entry into personal viewing devices, it's more limited in functionality compared to the Vision Pro and Meta options. But for those seeking simplicity and portability, it's a fantastic choice. Looking ahead, the Xreal Air 2 Ultra. And for those always looking for the next big thing, keep your eyes peeled for the Xreal Air 2 Ultra. Promising true spatial computing and a sleek design, it's set to shake up the market at a fraction of the Vision Pro's cost. So there you have it, folks. Diving into the future doesn't have to mean emptying your wallet. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a movie enthusiast, or just craving a taste of cutting-edge tech, there's something out there for everyone. What do you think? Which one of these devices sparks your interest? Or are you holding out for that Vision Pro? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.